back to another video. Today I'm finally back after a year of pausing YouTube and stuff to bring you guys some awesome content, and today is going to be an unboxing video. I've done one before when I won a giveaway. I don't know if you guys remember that or not, but yeah, that was my first unboxing video. Now I'm going to do another one, and this one is way more crazier and it's a heck of a lot special to me, so let's go right into it right now. And here it is, guys. It's a Bburago Gold Collection Porsche, and this one, well, it was probably one of the hardest things I tried and buy in the past year maybe, and this thing is basically inexistent. You search for any Porsche 996 Turbo in speed yellow, has a diecast like 118 scale like this one, or 143 or whatever it is, and you basically can find any. So yeah, let's start with the unboxing experience. I'm trying not to kick my phone to the ground because it's on a tripod on top of plank wood on top of my bed, so it's not the most stable with what I can work for. And look at this, look at how crazy this is. This car has a lot of meaning to me. Just gonna say the name of this car is Sandy, and that's because of a streamer that I've watched for the past 4 months, and that's really when I decided that, well, I have to freaking buy a turbo. And well, I have always loved Porsches, the 996, 986 generation, because of boxers. I've always liked this generation more, and I finally found one, and I just said to myself, no, I'm going to contact the seller and I'm going to buy it, whatever it costs, even if I have to pay more than what is advertised. But this was a steal. It was so cheap compared to the silver ones that are way more common, so this probably worth more than what I can imagine. So yeah, I know that the purists of diecast collectors are probably hating me because I'm taking this out of the box and stuff, but yeah, I don't care. It's too special for me. I'm never going to sell it, so having a sealed box or not, not my thing. So I'm gonna take it out of here, and then we are going to do a look around on it. Okay guys, here it is. Here's the beauty. Everything opens. You can open the doors, you can open the front, you can open the rear latch for the engine. You can basically open everything on this car. It's crazy. Now I'm just gonna close this for a second. I'm gonna give you guys some information. This is the 996 Turbo from 1999, so it has the 3.6 liter flat 6 engine right here. Sorry, wasn't meant to close it. It's a twin turbo engine. The turbos are not at the top, weirdly enough. I'm going to put the image on screen if you guys don't know where the turbos on Porsches are. Well, I'm just gonna point that out. They're basically around this area right here. From what I've seen in pictures, they're usually around this part because there's not a lot of space, and look how detailed this is. Look at this, the transmission, the differential, everything, and look at the size of the tires. Those are 295s on the back. I think the fronts are 225s, and man, look at the detail on this, and this thing is heavy. I'm just gonna let you know that this is a 118 scale and it's heavy. But yeah, I'm gonna put the tripod up a bit. Okay, so yeah, let's start our look around. First of all, Look at the detail on the wheels. Look at that. You have the turbo insignia on there. These are the turbo twist wheels. I don't know why, but brake discs don't have calipers. Apparently. Don't know why. Neither the back or the front have them. You have the air intakes on top and the bottom. Right here down the latch you have the fan to cool the turbos. Have the intakes. If I turn on the flashlight on the phone, you can take a better look at the engine. Look at how much detail there is in there. Look at that, you can see the tire. I don't know if that's really supposed to, but look at how much detail there is. Manifolds, everything. It's so cramped in here. That's why these cars are a pain in the ass to work on. It's crazy detail. Come to the interior. First you have, look at it, you can already see the dials. Focus, exactly. The dials are already visible. You have the pedals, of course it's a manual, so free pedal. The handbrake, the Porsche logo on the steering wheel, all of like blinkers, lights and all of that stuff in there. If we come to the other side, you can see better at the center console, GPS, because this has the GPS option, and it's crazy. Let me turn off this. You have the doors. Doors also have quite a lot of detail, although it's all in black. It's quite a lot. It has the speakers and stuff. This has the Boost sound system, so it sounds amazing. You have the speakers on top of theirs also, if you can see through the reflection. This is always on details. The Porsche symbol in there, really detailed. Now if we open the front, that's where it gets crazy. You have two handbags, Porsche. You have right here, the spare wheel, and then you have your reservoirs for like the windshield fluid, the brake fluids, all of that stuff. So this is it. It has a two-way close. It can be like this, it can be fully closed. What is really cool, and yeah, that's basically it. This is a 1/18 scale of Sandy, a 996 turbo. Just to let you guys know, Blondiewondie, although has a 996 turbo in speed yellow, hers the X50 package from 2003, and that has K24 turbochargers, new intercoolers, a revised DCU, quad pipes, which sound amazing by the way. And it makes 444 horsepower instead of 420, I believe that is in here, so it's a bit faster. We can say like this does 4.20 to 60, hers does 4.0 or 4.1, so it's not that much. It's just a shame that I can put the wing up, stuck, it's like this. I wish it could go up, it would be so cool. So yeah guys, this is going to be it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I haven't done unboxings like basically ever, only once, so I'm sorry if this isn't the best unboxing video, but I think it's better than the ones you find on YouTube if you search Porsche 996 Turbo 1999 Bburago unboxing. Yeah, those weren't really good, you can barely hear the guy talking, and I think I gave you guys a bit more information about it. If you want to check Blondiewondie out, I'm going to let the links in the description for YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and her Twitch channel. She does a lot of IRL streams with the Porsche, she goes to car meets, she does crazy long drives. She also does play PC games like World of Warcraft, which is really cool, so I'm gonna let you the links in the description and probably in the cards up there. Or up there, where they are, it's either one of the corners, they are going to be up there, so make sure to check her out. she's a really nice girl, real down to earth, and I think you guys are gonna enjoy watching her stuff. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment down below if you like this model of Porsches or not, or what, and better, which is your favorite Porsche of all time. I would like to know which it is. So yeah guys, make sure to do that. Also share the video with all of your friends so they can enjoy the video too, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of the next future videos. Bye guys!